All right, so I wanted to share with you how something can go wrong and how you can turn it into something positive. And this video right here, I was not going to shoot because there was supposed to be a different video that I recorded that you should have been able to watch, but you weren't able to. So let me explain. I'm gonna actually walk up here on the deck and we'll sit down and I'll share the story with you. But I was really excited to share this video. It was a great message. And well, like I said, you're not able to watch it. And this is gonna happen. I can almost guarantee that this is going to happen to you. There will be an idea that you have, you'll go ahead and record it. And for some reason, it just won't work. And I don't mean work that people won't actually enjoy the video. They probably will enjoy the video. But what might happen is you might have a snag when it comes to YouTube. So here's the deal. I had a video that I wanted to record on a little bit on retirement. I saw a video from Dave Ramsey and he had someone call in to his show and was talking about not having enough money to retire with. And he had said in that video that, well, you can still talk and you can probably still get around a little bit. So why don't you just start selling stuff on eBay or do something online? And I was like, oh my gosh, like Dave Ramsey's telling people to sell stuff online for their retirement. I'm like, that's what I say. And so I was like, I'm gonna shoot a video on it. So I got my coffee and I went out by the pool and I shot that video. And it was about 15 minutes long. And then I brought it inside, I brought it into my editing software, and I took the clip from Dave and I just spliced it in because I wanted you to hear what he had to say. Well, I got all done, I exported the video, I uploaded the video to YouTube and it said, sorry, this video can't be monetized because it's copyrighted material. It's Dave Ramsey's content. Can't do that. We can still run the video, but you won't be able to monetize it. Now, I could have just posted the video without the opportunity of it being monetized, which would have been fine, but in my own head, I'm like, I don't want a piece of content that's copyright infringing on my channel, period. And some would say, well, it doesn't really matter. You know, it just wouldn't be monetized. I don't want any copyright material or copyrighted material that has been flagged. That's just me. I just don't wanna have that. So again, at this point in time, I had a decision to make. I can either not upload a video today, or I could take what happened, turn that into a lesson and share it with you. And so that's my point here is sometimes something that you are trying doesn't work, and by you sharing that thing that didn't work can actually be a benefit. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you wanted to show people how to catch more bass in a pond, and you can see I got a big pond back there and there are bass in it. Seriously, pretty good sized ones too. But you could say, I'm going to show you how to catch more bass. And then you can go out there and try all these different, lures and maybe different bait, and you don't catch any fish. And you might be like, darn it, that was a terrible example. I wasn't able to show people how to catch more bass. But what you could do is say, hey, I tried all 5 of these or 6 of these different types of bait and none of them worked. So I don't know if it's my pond, I don't know if it's the bait, but for this round, it didn't work. So a lot of times people think it has to always be a success. It always has to be a successful ending to the story. And it doesn't necessarily have to be if we can turn it into a lesson. And so the lesson here today for this video is consistency. So like right now, I could have just said, I'm not going to upload a video on that day. Because usually what I'm doing here, just to let you know, I'm not batch recording these at this point in time. I'm not like recording 5 of them and then just saving them. I'm literally doing them the day or the day before they're actually being uploaded. And right now, just to let you know and kind of get on the inside track, I'm kind of testing. Does it benefit the channel to upload more frequently, or does it hurt it, or what kind of results are we going to get from that? So right now, I'm kind of doing this behind the scenes little test. And today, if I don't upload, I won't be able to continue that test with the amount of days that I wanted to test this, to try it. So I could have just said, screw it, we'll just take a day off. No, I didn't want to do that. So regardless, I was going to record a video. I was going to record a video. Unfortunately, you can't see the video that I shot because, well, it was flagged by YouTube, and I could have uploaded it, or I could have had it air, but I didn't want that strike on the channel. So that's why. The lesson there was really good though, and I'll probably shoot a video just without the Dave Ramsey video in it, sharing how I do believe that YouTube is a great option for someone that doesn't have a lot in retirement, that wants to supplement their retirement. I think anyone that is in those shoes could definitely use YouTube. 100%. Dave Ramsey said on there, hey, if you can walk and if you can talk, and even if you can't walk, if you're in a wheelchair, if you're in a bed in the hospital, there's probably something that you can do online with your voice. And I know that's an extreme, but most people are capable. They have the ability to walk and talk. And so if that is the case, why not YouTube? Like, why not? I've already talked about on this channel, and if you've missed it, I'll go ahead and link up those videos below. But you can do exactly what I'm doing right now, and you can get your channel monetized. After you have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, you can get it monetized, meaning ads will be displayed on your video and you will earn some income. You can also recommend products, just like I do. So like right here, right now, I am using the Osmo 6, which you can't see right now. I did a whole video on it though. It's my little tripod, also my gimbal, which basically I'm able to kind of do this stuff with, right? Hold the camera and it kind of moves nice and smooth, right? So that's the Osmo 6. And then I also have the DJI mic down below there. And I haven't got my iPhone. So I'll link everything up in the description, you see? So now I did that. If you go through one of those links, Amazon will pay me a small commission, very small, a cup of coffee. But that's how you can earn some extra revenue just from producing a video like this. And again, this video that wasn't supposed to be created right now, by the way, because this wasn't the intent in the beginning here of the video that I wanted to record for today. But this is where we're at. So you see, we have to think sometimes how to turn something negative into a positive. And I think this is a positive. And hopefully you can see now that you can take something that didn't work, turn it into a lesson, turn it into something you can share that can benefit someone on the other side. And if we can do that, we're always going to win because we're going to help someone. That's win number one. Number two, I'm going to be consistent. If I'm consistent, there's a better chance of me being able to get more videos out there, get my message out there, impact more people. And the more people we get to reach, we have more potential also of earning income through ad revenue, through sponsorships, through affiliate products like this right here, or if we have a course for sale, any of that stuff. So all of that stuff goes up as we stay consistent. So hopefully you've gotten value from this. There's two big takeaways that I want you to walk away with. Number one, stay consistent. Consistency has been my superpower for years, meaning if you stay consistent, good things will happen and they will compound on themselves. The second thing is always deliver to your audience, and it doesn't have to be a big audience, and I have proof of that. I'm actually going to share that with you in this video right here. If you want to see how I've taken 1,000 subscribers on one of my first channels and turn that into a 6-figure business. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.